I sit on our Farm Bureau board as a director, and our field rep was there and had brought these Teledyne imaging cameras to a meeting and offered that if we had a use for them on our farms or our businesses that we could use them and try them out. And so I incorporated it into my introductory class, AF&R, or Ag Food Natural Resources.
So our agriculture education courses are teaching students through hands-on learning about agriculture. So in a lot of classrooms you might be doing bookwork and things like that, but in the agriculture classroom you're getting that real hands-on experience, which not only teaches students but allows them to develop that connection between using their hands and their mind, and also provides them with the necessary skills that they need to succeed in the agriculture industry.
We use the thermal cameras as an opportunity for safety, how they could use them in their home or on their farm as well, and how it picks up heat. I just think it's an awesome opportunity that Nationwide has provided those for us. They're a huge supporter of Farm Bureau and FFA, and we've worked with them through several projects, and so this is just another great example of them supporting ag education.